Is your iMessage, WhatsApp, and Instagram notifications delayed on your iPhone 8 Plus? No need to worry. Here are some easy step-by-step solutions to fix the notifications delayed issue on your iPhone 8 Plus. So, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure that your Wi-Fi and cellular data is turned on. Silent mode is disabled, and also turn off Do Not Disturb mode. After that, follow the main troubleshooting. Solution 1. Turn on Background App Refresh. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down again, and now tap Background App Refresh. Scroll down to the bottom. If your iMessage or any other app is toggled Disable, just tap to the toggle for Enable. Solution 2. Change notification settings. Go to Settings, tap Notifications, make sure that Show Previews is set to Always. If you're having trouble with any specific apps like iMessage, Facebook, or Instagram, then select the specific app like iMessage. Now tap iMessage. If you see that Allow Notification is turned off, then you will not be able to receive any notifications from iMessage. You have to turn it on. At the same time, make sure that your lock screen, notification center, and banners are turned on. After that, check your issue whether it's solved or not. If you still have the issue, then follow the next troubleshooting. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset all settings again. So guys, this is the way to fix notification delay issue on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you have any kind of questions, then please write them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.